Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you through power requirement of a compressor in industrial hydraulics and pneumatics. Let's tackle this question. Determine the actual power required to drive a compressor that delivers 100 cubic meters per minute of air at 100 kilopascals. The overall efficiency of the compressor is 75%. Solution. Given. Flow rate Q equals 100 cubic meters per minute. Outlet pressure P out equals 201 kilopascals. Inlet pressure P in equals 101 kilopascals. Overall efficiency equals 0.75. Finding the theoretical power required. Which equals 128.48 kilowatts. Finding the actual power required. P actual equals 171.31 kilowatts. Or, we can improvise the formula. Finding the actual power required. Which equals 171.31 kilowatts.